Okay, here we are in the fourth house. Coming in. This is the living room area in here. Then you have it going out to like a little patio area over in here. Here you have another little area going outside with your boxes. Stairway going upstairs. And then you have a bathroom with a full shower. You have a bedroom in here. Not make it. And you got a stairway going upstairs. Put your window over here, looking outside. Stairway here. Stairway upstairs leads out to a nice patio area. This patio area is actually huge. And I know that during this house was being built, I actually came up here before it was finished. And this patio area cleaned out has a really nice ocean view to it. Very nice ocean view to it. But it has to be cleaned up out here. Got a sleeping area right here. Some sliding glass doors. Toilet area. Toilet here, same thing. And a full shower in here. And then back in here. Looks like you got some storage or a closet area. And you've got a picture window looking outside over there. And back downstairs. That's it for this house.